At Cimatron, we are showcasing an end-to-end solution for mold and die design and manufacturing. Today, we are launching SuperFinish, a machining strategy which will help you achieve mirror-like surface finish, almost reducing or eliminating the need for polishing.
The beauty of this component is that we are using a 60 HRC material, and 60 HRC material cutting with a cutting tool as well as such a surface finish which is nearly mirror finish is required machine capability. The machine performance can be managed, can be shown, can be demonstrated when you have a right cutting tool and right technology. So this is the CAM technology we have used, and we are very happy to work with Cimatron.
We are very well collaborated with the Cimatron since long, and in this particular part, what has been displayed here, we work very closely with each other, and we are trying to give the solution to the industry which helps them to grow into their market and to achieve their final goal of any of the organization.
I'm delighted to be here with Amol today at the Cimatron booth, where they have launched an exciting new technology which I'm sure the entire manufacturing fraternity for die and mold would love to use, experiment and use it in their facilities.